Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone brightness dark. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your iPhone's brightness is full, but it's still dark. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app and then go to general, go to software update, and you just have to try to update your software. You just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, it might be that your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to your battery section and here go to power mode, and you have to make sure that low power mode is not enabled. If you find that the low power mode is enabled, you just have to try to disable this. After disabling low power mode, just simply go back, and here you have a simple setting. You have to go to accessibility here, then select display and text size. Just scroll down and look for the option of reduce white point. Once you get the setting, you will find that it will be enabled. So you just have to try to disable this. And once you have disabled that setting, your iPhone will be brighter as more. So if you want to enable this again, so you can enable that, or you can customize this from here. So basically it will reduce the white point of your iPhone. You can make it darker or brighter from here. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iPhone brightness is full but still dark. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.